Summer vacation. Essay in English. Introduction. Summer vacation is a time when students can relax and enjoy their free time. It is a time to catch up on rest, spend time with family and friends, and explore new hobbies or interests. For many students, summer vacation is also a time to continue learning and improving their English skills. His article will provide information about essay on summer vacation, ways to spend summer vacation. Parents should encourage their children to read, write and practice speaking English during the summer break or take them for an outing to have fun and enjoy the sun. Summer holidays have an important place in every person's life, especially in children's lives. Summer is the hottest season of the year. Children enjoy it very much. It is a very interesting and entertaining season for them as they get a chance to eat their favorite fruits and ice cream. They also enjoy long school closures during the summer holidays. Summer vacation is an important time for children. This is a very happy time for them. During these holidays, children can do all that they are interested in. They have fun living with their parents, brothers and sisters through the holidays. Summer holidays are the happiest of students' lives because they got some rest from going to school for some time. There are many other important things in summer vacations along with getting relief from the heat. After the exams are over, the students feel exhausted and are not interested in studying. Hence, they need rest to improve their health and viability. After a long year of study, everyone gets to learn something in the summer holidays, whether they are grown-ups or children. Everyone has their own way of celebrating the summer vacation. Some like to go on a picnic with their family, some go to foreign countries and some go home and enjoy it. Most of the girls like to play badminton, football etc. during summer vacation while boys like to play cricket in the open field. During the season there are many fruits which can be enjoyed only in summer. These fruits help to make the summer holiday more interesting. Drinking fresh fruit juice and drinking fresh fruit in the body produces freshness in the body. Everyone already plans something for the summer holidays. Especially kids start making new plans a few months in advance to make their summer holidays exciting. The summer holidays are a great relief for everyone. That's why everyone tries to make it memorable. Benefits of summer vacation. The purpose of summer vacations is to give the students a little rest from the summer season. Excessive heat can cause a lot of damage, so summer vacation is the best option to study and give them a break from the heat and assist the children to recover in weaker subjects. CU. Everyone usually has their own way of spending the summer vacation, but most people prefer to go to cold places. Summer vacation gives the students an opportunity to visit new places, increase their general knowledge, and get time for school project work. Children get an opportunity to spend time with their family members as well as to understand and have fun with them. Overall, we can say that the summer vacation is very important for the complete development of all. Ways of spending vacation. Some children make good use of leave by applying tutoring in their weak subject and make it better. Summer holidays become a summer fun for children who are happy when the last bell rings at school. Summer holidays become the happiest moments for children as they get a long break from the daily busy lives of school and schoolwork. Some people go to the countryside for vacations or to visit some historical and recreational places. The time has come to get away from homework and be entertained by a good trip from home to the city, hill stations, and other quiet places to happily defeat the heat. A place to visit during summer vacations. There are a number of destination options to visit and spend quality time with family. You can book your vacation ticket online via the reputed portals MakeMyTrip, Via.com, GoIbibo etc. Some good place. Falls in Kullu Manali, Chandigarh, Shimla, Darjeeling, Nainital, Munnar, Kerala, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Matheran, Mahabaleshwar. Above are a few options to choose your destination for summer vacation. It's good to spend special quality time with family and loved ones once a year apart from any workload. Conclusion: every child looks forward to the summer holidays as a time of rest and relaxation. Summer vacations provide an opportunity for children to catch up on schoolwork, visit new places, and spend time with family members. Children can also improve their skills by taking tutoring classes during the summer break. There are many places to visit and enjoy during summer vacations. The most important thing is to enjoy and make the most of this time. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.